May have been a bit easier to put it up there with two people, but I did it by myself because I'm just that good.
God dang, that boy good.
Oh my God. What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Today we're going to be installing this roof spoiler that I got on Amazon. So basically came in this box right here, and I'll go ahead and pull it out for you. So out of the box, this is what we get. As you can see, it's nicely wrapped up, and it also came with some tape. I don't know if it's 3M tape, it's double-sided tape anyways. So basically all we're going to do is just, of course, clean off the back window here. It's going to mount right up in this area right here, probably along the edge. So we're going to clean that off with some alcohol. Go ahead, put the tape on the roof spoiler, and essentially just stick it up there. I mean, this isn't a huge complex operation here. It's just sticking something up there, and tape is doing all the work for you. So it's a real easy mod, but I think it'll look nice transitioning from the black wrap that I have up here. The roof spoiler is supposed to be a gloss black, so hopefully I got the right one sent to me, and it'll just sit up there. So anyways, let's go ahead, get this cleaned up, get the tape put on the roof spoiler and install it, and then we'll see how it looks. So now we're ready to put it up there. I'm just going to probably start on one side, work my way across. One thing I want to do though before I actually install it is I'm going to take my heat gun and heat up the tape to make sure that it's nice and sticky. Heat up the window a little bit just to make sure I get a nice connection, because I definitely don't want this thing flying off. That sucks. It's not sticky. Alright, well, the best laid plans. So basically what's happening is it's sitting so flush that it's not making contact with the window. So I'm just going to peel this tape off. I'm going to grab some more 3M tape and go over this. I'll be able to overlap it, and then we should be able to make contact. So let me grab some more tape and then we'll go ahead and get this done. Alright, so this tape is just going to help us bring the edge more even, give us a little bit more surface, because the problem is if I only use this tape and put it straight to the edge, it's going to dip down, and this side right here where the indentation is, it wouldn't make contact with the window. So I need it to have a little bit more surface. So now that we have that, I'm going to use some Gorilla tape, a wider tape, to be able to just run all the way down and make sure we have enough contact on the surface. Alright, y'all, so it's up there. May have been a bit easier to put it up there with two people, but I did it by myself because I'm just that good. This is it. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I have some more content on the way. I actually have a package coming today for another install that I'll be doing, so keep an eye out for that video. As always, thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.